millions and hundreds of millions to an equipment so that our doctors will have a proper diagnostic facility. Magagaling yung mga doktor natin, minsan kulang lang sa diagnostic facility. Plus, of course, the medicines and all other miscellaneous things that has to be made available. Now, the good thing, I don't know kung ito ay balita o hindi, but as far as we are concerned, July 1 to December 31, sigurado may gamot sa ating mga health center at saka sa ating mga ospital. Kasi naglaan na talaga ako ng COVID. Inuna ko na yan. Pagkamat talagang said na said tayo, di naman na siguro kaila by this time sa inyo na ang priority ko is MBN, minimum basic needs, healthcare, education, housing and jobs.
Sa ibang topic,
Sure.
dito ba sa flood control, we mentioned before, may mga unpaid taxes from 2022 pa. Paano sa tingin na nakalusot from 2022?
Thank you for asking. From last week, we have about 8 billion collected. As of this morning, may additional 4 million collected. It's about 12 million. Paano sila nakalusot? 3 years ago, hindi ko alam, hindi ko na ako mayor nun. Pasensya ko na. But, are we pursuing them now? Yes. Do we have a right to pursue? Yes. Kasi accrued na yun. Due to the city. It is an existing law or what you call tax code of the city government. And one of the provision in the tax code is that all contractors must pay contractor's tax. 82.5% of 1%. So in every million, they have to pay 8,250. Very minuscule number, pero nineglect. But this time, we're going after them. Now, again, if I may use this opportunity through your television, I'm giving them an ample opportunity. SOA were issued to their respective offices and company. I hope they will comply. Now, because of unpaid dues, unpaid obligation of this corporation, they may be subjected to penalties, surcharges, and interest. That's normal. But the city government of Manila, through the city council, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, our directive is to come up and pass a law, what you call general tax amnesty. So they can avail of such measure and pay only the principal. If and if, bawa, hindi pa rin sila tumugod. O hindi naman kami mangingimi na paila sila ng kaso. At yung mga kaso ito, padadala namin sa pick-up, DPWH, DBM, and DPWH, DBM, Office of the President. Plus, they're going to face, there is criminal aspect of it, then we'll file criminal cases. Hindi kami mangingimi. But don't get us wrong. Kita mo, haba ng pasensya namin. Bago namin paila na kaso, we make sure that due process of law will observe and evidence is present, then we'll make them liable.
Hanggang kailan ko ipalit?
Galing ng tanong mo, diniscuss ko nga lang kanina yan kay Treasurer. Basta bibigyan ako sila ample time. Kasi they have to pay. It's, alam mo kahit anong gawin nila, hindi nila matatakbuhan. Kasi biniyaran na sila. Natapos na yun. Now, having said that, on the other side, last Friday, 5 project ng DPWH, I signed business building permit. See? Wala. bayad sila ng regulatory fees, bayad sila contractor's tax, then we sign a permit. So, true to our word, na if you comply with the requirements of law, bakit naman namin pipigilan yung mga programang yan? Whether kalaban namin sa politika o hindi, it doesn't matter to us. Basta kang pakinabangan natin.
Mayor, so far, ilan ang pinasuli natin?
12 million total.
Ilan po yung mga
Ay, dapat mahigit 100 million yan, more or less. Baka mawat pa ng 200 million mahigit. But we will pursue. Natulog lang sila ng 3 taon. Gising na ang gobyerno ngayon. Sure.
Any chance po for you to join mayors for good governance?
Well, I'm not invited yet. But with all honesty, it is not up for me to say that I am a mayor for good governance. Hayaan ko ng taong bayan ang umusgan. Hindi ko naman pwedeng assess yung sarili ko. Hayaan ko na lang ang taong bayan ang mag-assess if we are doing good governance.
Mayor, yung regarding sa signing, so nakita ko si Petro P. Marami
Tama.
pa po bang
Ang pinagkakakalus ko, di ba? Tinutil. Yun talaga, kagaguhan talaga yun. Kaya, nagtayo ka ng street sign, pero hindi mo tinanggal yung luma. Para lang ano yun, masabi may ginawa. Pero ano yan, magkakalito ito. Inubos na namin.
Ilan po yung natagpuan nyo na?
Wala pa kaming exact numbers, but a good sum were destroyed over the weekend upon directive last Friday. Marami nang kinalos ang city engineering. Pero talaga sa totoo, hindi ko rin makarok yun. Katulad yung reaction ng taong bayan. Nakakapanlumo. Kasi talaga naman na unang-una, sorry my French, kagaguhan talaga eh. Sayang, pagwawaldas ng pera. Could have been used on other things. That's 39 million. 39.
How many signings po kaya?
Wala, it's District 1 to 6 eh. Kaya inaalam namin yun. Kasi done December 23, 2004. So over the course of the campaign, busy sa paggasta. Pero okay naman yung paggasta. Katulad yung tanong mo kanina. Diba din mo ako, yung magkano yung budget? Deal pa lang, nilaan namin. Tungkol na to sa puso. 25, 35 milyones. Can you imagine how many lives that we can help? But then again, I hope dumaan sa proseso. We'll look into the matter. For the meantime, unahin ko muna yung maaring magdulot ng kalituhan or confusion sa kalsada.
Last po,
Sure.
sir. Sa tingin nyo, sino po dapat ma-held accountable for
That I am no judge. I will let Senator Marcoleta and Senator Lacson do their part in the Senate. We are watching. I think the Filipino, for that matter, not only Manileños, are watching the Senate hearing. And I hope that the President, with his directive, mapagtagumpayan ni Pangulo at ng Senado na may mapanagot. Baka one of those scandal lang to. Ang taong bayan humahanap ng resulta. On our case, pag kami may ebidensya, wala nang investigation. Balik agad. Basta may nakakalap kami ebidensya kamalian. Whether kakamping congressman or kalaban na congressman. Yung away politika, sinasantabi natin, basta ikabubuti ng distrito nila, at kung hindi sila balat sibuyas, to call their attention, kaya ako naman kinukuha yung attention nila, dahil mali. Ngayon, ipagtatanggol nila yung mali, problema nila sa taong bayan yun. I will not stop calling the attention of those congressmen, whether they are okay now or not, basta mali, sasabihin ko yung mali, dapat itama. O katulad na nangyayari ngayon. Sino ba ang nagbe-benepisyo ng pagpuna ko sa kanila lahat? Di ba, Maynila at mamamayan? Pero dapat wala tayong kita na 12 million. Pero meron tayong dumating. Kasi bakit? Mali ba kami? Mukhang tama. Bakit? Kung mali kami, hindi magbabayad yun. Kasi alam nila tama sa batas. Who is going to be guilty or not? I will let the court later on to decide on the matter. I will let the Senate with all its power, makapangyarihan ng Senado, the last bastion of Filipino people, Senado. Hopefully, I trust their judgment. We, as Filipino, support them. For the meantime, we move on with our lives. We do what is correct and what is necessary for our people. Trabaho muna kami. Yung pananagutan nila hindi natin lilimutin. Sana. Sure.
May reaction po kayo, yung Diskaya daw, mga Diskaya, willing daw po mag-invest.
Ano?
Willing daw po sila mag-invest.
It is up for the committee to appreciate. If they are a viable state witness, it is up for the judgment call of those leadership. If they think that there is value on it, then so be it. Yeah? It is not up for me to decide. Kung sa tingin ng ating mga nag-iimbestiga, makatutulong para makamit ng bawat Pilipino ang hustisya sa pambababoy na ginawa sa pondo ng DPWH, then we are in support of any act later on by the Senate with regard to pursuing individuals and corporations to be held accountable.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.